Our lesson for today is the loss of exponents. The loss of exponents. So, the first law states that the product of powers rule. But before we get into that, let me introduce you to the exponents, what it's called and why it is called exponents. So in mathematics, we use a lot of words, a lot of numbers, like the pi, 3.1416, and a lot of numbers. We use a lot of numbers, and exponents help us to simplify these numbers. And in a number, we can call this here. This is the exponent, and this is the exponent, and this is the base. So let's take it for example. 9 squared. So this and to the 2 to the power of 2, or basically, or we can simplify this as 9 squared. So this is equal to 9 times 9 times itself. You multiply the number with itself, until you reach the base. For example, 9, let's make another one. Number 7 to the fourth power, to the power of fourth. That is equal to 7 times 7 times 7 times 7. And let us go over to the first rule. So the first rule states that a to the power of m times a to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m plus n. That makes a lot of sense because, for example, is equals to um, uh, and that's it. That's the first rule in the loss of exponents. That now let us go over to the next one. Quotient of powers rule. Or you can state, or in a much simpler sense, you can call this, wait, god quotient rule. So this is the number 2 rule. Well, it doesn't really matter, if you can't memorize this terminologies here, but it's just kind of the name of it. But in doing some exercise, you cannot, it's not essential to to memorize this. So a to the m is equals to, you just you when working with quotient, you just multiply the the exponent here. That makes a lot of sense because when you divide, for example, 6 to the 6 divided by 6 2, that can be simplified here. You eliminate and that will be equal to, and that's the answer of it. That's like, what I'm doing is like, it's an it's an informal proof, so the next is power of a power rule. So as you can see, the term here is getting kind of complicated a little, but when you exercise with a textbook, with your textbook,